Welcome back to the morning show. I'm a flying monkey from the Wizard of Oz. What do you think, Matt?
That's pretty awesome.
Pretty good. Hey, quit grabbing my tail.
I'm a nerd physics professor without much of a wardrobe. How about that?
Very nice. Okay. Well, of course, it is Halloween, so we're having some Halloween science fun today. And if
Well,
if I wing you,
it's
sorry
an
about
excuse
that.
to keep your wing off of me here. Okay. So I thought since it's Anne's,
it's Anne's birthday too,
and all,
right?
we would play with some balloons,
okay,
and we would make some ice cream to go with a cake.
Awesome.
So what I did here, hang on to that for a sec, would you?
Yep.
If you get a balloon that's full of helium, you know what happens. If you let it go,
it goes up
kind of vanishes up in the ceiling pretty rapidly, and it'll sit up there for a day or so. Then it kind of slowly shrinks, and then it flops back down eventually. And what happens is the helium is such a tiny little molecule that it can kind of leak out through the latex. And so eventually when the balloon just sort of shrivels up, it's because the helium has gotten out. And that's the reason that helium is lighter than air.
Right.
Is literally because each and every single atom of helium weighs less than your average nitrogen molecule or whatever you have in the air.
Okay.
Okay, they're just smaller, and so that means that they have buoyancy and they go up. And so what I did with this guy is I just put these guys inside this garbage bag, and I weighed it down just a little bit so that it's sort of neutral buoyancy, so it doesn't really go up or down.
It's kind of like
it just kind of hovers.
Ghost.
So it's like a hovering, floating ghosty.
Awesome.
So I figured this would be a good thing for her.
That's cool.
Let's put that over here.
You could do that when people come over for Halloween.
Yeah, exactly. All right, now.
Okay, our favorite.
This is our favorite thing. This is just a good excuse to play with liquid nitrogen, right?
Oh yeah, I can't
Can
really.
you blow?
Yeah, wait, it might be scary though if you do it. I have a monkey face behind it. You're gonna have to do it.
Nah, you're not so good. Here.
There you go.
Ooh, yeah, that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
So what you're going to do is we're going to make ice cream out of this so that we can have it with her cake.
Okay, good.
So ice cream you need...
Did you bring her a cake too?
No, you guys have the cake.
Oh, well, good.
I hope.
Or else
I hadn't had breakfast all day. I really would like to have some cake.
Quick, I think.
All right, so what do? You make ice cream. You need sugar and you need cream. It's basically fat and sugar.
Yeah.
And you can't go wrong with
so good.
Exactly. And so you can't go wrong with it at all.
Right.
So there's the cream. I just removed the big old knife from the pumpkin's head, which is what we're going to do in the next segment.
Okay.
We're going to blow this guy to kingdom come. And we put this back in. Okay. We need some sugar. Quite a bit of sugar. Okay.
No measurement. Just pour it till you're done.
You can't go wrong. It's sugar.
Yeah, I guess
if it's too much, it's too sweet. How bad is that?
Yeah,
then you need a little bit of...
today, there's a lot of sweets going on today.
That's right. Oh, my goodness. And you need some vanilla. There we go. And now, you got to... Can you stir this, actually? Maybe you can be the flying monkey. You can pour this stuff in. So I'm going to just sort of stir this and get it stirred a little bit before you start to pour that in.
Okay.
Now, if you look in here, there's a mixture of cream and sugar.
Right.
Okay, go ahead and pour the liquid nitrogen in there. It's very cold.
Ready?
And what it's going to do is just really quickly...
How much?
Oh, just dump it in. A whole bunch. Okay, that's good. That may be a little too much, but that's okay.
It's like brain.
That's okay. Actually, you made bubbles. Check it out.
I can't really see anything, Matt.
Yeah, that's okay. You'll taste it here in a minute. You can feel how cold that is, though,
I can,
right?
yeah.
So this stuff is a couple of 100 degrees below zero, and so what happens is when you stir it into the cream, it makes the fatty molecules in the cream, the stuff that makes the ice cream sort of glob together and freeze. And so now it's already getting... See, it's getting sort of ice cream. We need a little more of that. It's maybe another cup or so.
I'll pour a little easier.
Yeah, pour a little more in there. That's good. Okay. Now, what we really need to do is to get the birthday girl in here so that we can give her some ice cream.
We're going to have to make her ice cream because...
Okay.
We'll bring it to her.
And you can't eat through that thing, can you?
Well, I can take it off during a commercial.
That's okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to taste this for you.
Okay, you taste it. You're the taste tester.
Oh.
Perfect? Okay. All right. Well, very good, Matt. Well, you know what? There's two other people in the studio looking at that top monitor. What do you think over there?
Ha! 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 I see a Dorothy and I see a witch.
Yeah, well, let's go to the other studio. Hey, guys.
Hello.
I'll get you, my pretty.
Yeah, we're definitely going Wizard of Oz themed this year.
Glenda.
I get to wear